much people around us, lot of human capital, right? It gets wasted. But lot of talents get wasted. That's what I feel. It's not been caught very early on to develop those talents, find talents and appreciate them, help them to grow, give them some clarity, reinforcement, right, to the children as well as adults. I'm seeing it there. Lot of time these sessions. You really want to be a Superman, a Supergirl. Yearly to catch is good around primary school time. So coming back to the point, answering your question. So I wasted 2 years of my time. Then I got a coach for tennis players. Trust me, I spent a lot of time on this. Okay, that'll make you. So I found a coach who's proven. His sons are playing in US Open. So I hope I try to give you some answer.
Great, Mr. Raj. One more